This is the 4-foot folding table. This table has 3 different heights, 19 inches, 24 inches, and 29.5 inches. This table is able to fill many of your needs by being so versatile. The tabletop is 4 feet long, is waterproof and stain resistant. Just grab some wet wipes and it's easy to clean. So this table folds up nice and thin and small, so it is easy to store. And it comes with a handle, so it's easy to carry.